Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about the latest restriction or updates here in Singapore. Mag-English lang tayo guys ha. Are you traveling to Singapore or are you planning to visit Singapore? COVID-19 cases are increasing again. Based on Ministry of Health and Communicable Disease Agency, there are 14,200 COVID-19 cases that are reported from 27 April to 3rd May. So it's 1 week. Previously, before this week, there are 11,000 cases that are reported here in Singapore. So it's like 10,000 cases every week. COVID-19 is not actually new. There are other variants that are more serious and dangerous. It's just for those travelers who are still not vaccinated or who only have 1 doses of COVID-19 vaccine. And for those who have low health immunity or yung madaling magkasakit, just for precaution, avoid going to crowded places. And I suggest bring your own mask and hand sanitizer in case something happens. Pero wag naman sana. Because if you are sick, infected while you are in Singapore and you don't have a travel insurance, baka mapagastos kayo. But if you already had COVID before and you are vaccinated, I don't think there is a problem here. It's just those who are unvaccinated nga and madaling magkasakit. But the good news is wala namang binago sa travel restrictions. There are still no updates about screening and vaccination requirements. It's still the same. You can still submit your Singapore arrival card and your passport and flight itinerary. So I'm just giving you guys an update. Bring your mask, bring your hand sanitizer, always wash your hands, and if you can try to avoid crowded places. You know that there's a lot of people visiting Singapore from different parts of the world and you are not sure if those people are vaccinated or not. Yun lang guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Have a safe flight and stay safe.